The Turkish defense industry has once again demonstrated a significant leap in the development of modern weapons technology. This time, the spotlight is on Turkey's successful testing of a new multi-barrel machine gun capable of firing up to 3,000 rounds per minute. This achievement confirms Turkey's position as a country with advanced weapon systems, research, and production capabilities. Tested multi-barrel machine gun is designed to meet the demands of the modern battlefield, which demands high firepower, maximum stability, and long-term reliability. The multi-barrel system allows for more even heat distribution, with a rate of fire of up to 3,000 rounds per minute. This gun is capable of creating a very powerful suppression effect. This new multi-barrel machine gun utilizes lightweight, high-strength materials, including special metal alloys and composite components. To reduce weight without sacrificing durability, the barrel drive system is precisely designed to ensure consistent barrel rotation, resulting in more stable and accurate fire. High-strength alloys, advanced steel treatments, and precision machining enable the barrel and internal components to withstand extreme pressure. Some modern systems also incorporate heat-resistant barrel linings, lightweight composite housings, and modular components for rapid maintenance. The rotating barrel assembly is the heart of the system. As the barrel assembly rotates, each barrel goes through a cycle: charging, chambering, firing, ejection, cooling. Because no single barrel fires continuously, heat buildup is significantly reduced, extending barrel life. Rapid maintenance. The rotating barrel assembly is the heart of the system. As the barrel assembly rotates, each barrel goes through a cycle: charging, chambering, firing, ejection, cooling. Because no single barrel fires continuously, heat buildup is significantly reduced, extending barrel life. Modern multi-barrel machine guns are often powered by modern variants can be fitted with digital fire control units, sensors, and targeting systems. This integration improves accuracy against fast-moving targets, synchronization with radar or optical systems, remote or automatic operation. Operational excellence. Unlike conventional single-barrel machine guns, multi-barrel machine guns use 2 or more barrels arranged in a rotating group. Each barrel fires sequentially as the group rotates, rather than firing continuously from a single barrel. This design is often associated with Gatling-type or rotary gun systems. The core idea is simple yet effective, distributing the workload across multiple barrels, reducing thermal stress on each barrel, allowing sustained fire at a high rate without overheating. As a result, these systems can achieve rates of fire of thousands of rounds per minute, far exceeding traditional machine guns. Advanced multi-barrel machine guns are one of the most advanced developments in modern weapon systems, designed to deliver extremely high rates of fire while maintaining reliability and durability. These weapons combine mechanical innovations, materials, science, and electronic controls into a single, robust platform. From aircraft and naval defense to ground vehicles, multi-barrel machine guns play a vital role in modern military operations. The tests covered a variety of operational scenarios, from sustained firing and barrel durability tests to medium-range accuracy tests, to mechanism reliability under extreme conditions. The test results demonstrated stable performance with a very low mechanical failure rate, even when the weapon was operated at maximum firing speed. Turkish defense engineers stated that the system was designed with a modular approach, allowing for customization of caliber, cooling system, and operating methods, both manual and electronic. Furthermore, the weapon has been prepared for integration with modern fire control systems, including optical sensors, target tracking systems, and digital interfaces. This allows the rifle to be used in a remote weapon station (RWS) configuration, allowing the operator to operate it from a safe distance. The high rate of fire makes this machine gun highly flexible for various military needs. On land platforms, it can be mounted on armored vehicles for convoy protection or infantry support. In maritime environments, it is effective against asymmetric threats, such as speedboats and surface drones. Meanwhile, for aerial applications, this multi-barrel system has the potential to be used as a defensive weapon on helicopters or transport aircraft, providing additional protection against threats from the ground. The successful test of this multi-barrel machine gun aligns with Turkey's national strategy to reduce its dependence on weapons imports. In recent years, Turkey has consistently developed various indigenous weapon systems, ranging from combat drones and cruise missiles to supersonic training jets and modern warships. The development of this high-powered weapon also opens up export opportunities to countries seeking modern, high-performance machine gun systems at a more competitive cost compared to Western products. With the arrival of a multi-barrel machine gun with a rate of fire of 3,000 rounds per minute, the doctrine of using automatic weapons on the battlefield has the potential to be adjusted. Its high firepower allows troops to quickly establish area dominance, narrow the enemy's range of movement, and increase the effectiveness of protecting strategic assets. However, the use of this high-powered weapon still requires careful ammunition management and integration with modern logistics systems to maintain its effectiveness over long-term operations. Following the successful testing phase, the next step is to refine the design and prepare for limited production and operational testing with the Turkish military. Further development is expected to include improvements to the fire control system, energy efficiency, and compatibility with artificial intelligence. Technology for real-time target analysis. The test of Turkey's latest machine gun with a rate of fire of 3,000 rounds per minute marks a new chapter in the development of high-performance automatic weapons. The combination of modern technology, efficient design, and a vision of defense self-sufficiency make this system a significant milestone in the Turkish military industry's journey. Going forward, this weapon not only has the potential to strengthen the capabilities of the Turkish armed forces, but also become a strategic product that will enhance Turkey's influence in the global defense market.